Hi everyone, my name is Tom Campagno, and welcome to my course Turning Speech into Text on AWS with Amazon Transcribe. I'm the VP of Technology over at Contravent. It seems like audio and video are an integral part of our world today, be it social media, mass media, or media created within your own company. We rely heavily on this medium, and consuming it can be difficult. If only we could search for what that one customer said in that one meeting from last week. Well, in this course, Turning Speech into Text on AWS with Amazon Transcribe, we're going to show how to turn any recorded conversation into easily searchable text. We are going to cover how to quickly transform a single audio file into a speaker-by-speaker text-based dialogue with the AWS console. We will also look into how to scale the process with Amazon's command line tools to drive more power and efficiency into your organization's processes. On top of that, we will run through building an actual distributed application that solves a real-world business problem using the AWS Transcribe APIs and even a little bit of coding. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with some AWS setup such as user permissions and the simple storage service, but don't worry, we'll take a step-by-step approach, so don't feel like you have to be an AWS expert. After this course, you should feel comfortable taking additional AWS courses on topics such as Lambda functions, Translate, CloudWatch, and the simple notification service, among others. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn turning speech into text on AWS with Amazon Transcribe at Pluralsight.